The smiling moon in the sky, the fulfillment of Jesus' prophecies. Smiling moon on April 25th, 2025. Friends. On the night of April 25th, something special happened. A smiling moon appeared in the sky. Many people saw it as just a natural phenomenon, but let's turn to the Bible and see, was it merely a coincidence or was it a message from God? Luke 21:25-28. The prophetic words of Jesus. And there will be signs in the sun, in the moon, and in the stars, and on the earth, distress of nations. Luke 21:25. Now when these things begin to happen, look up and lift up your heads, because your redemption draws near. Luke 21:28. Jesus himself told us that before his return, signs would appear in the sun, moon, and stars. These signs remind us that the time of salvation is near. They are divine wake-up calls for all humanity. The smiling moon, a message of hope or a warning. Could this smiling moon be trying to tell us something? Perhaps God is reminding us, the time is near. These signs are not random. They are God's voice crying out, "Wake up! Be alert!" It could be a loving whisper from heaven saying, the door of grace is still open for you. Other signs. Mentioned by Jesus, earthquakes, famines, and pestilences. Luke 21:11. Signs and changes in the sun and moon. Anxiety and distress among the nations, wars, and chaos. The current world condition. Fulfillment of prophecies, ongoing wars and conflicts. Moral collapse and loss of family values. Nature groaning. Earthquakes, floods, extreme heat waves. All of this matches exactly what Jesus said would happen in the last days. Prepare your heart. The Lord is returning soon. Are we ready? Have we turned back to God with all our hearts? These signs are not to scare us, but to awaken us. Today we must repent sincerely, embrace the truth, accept the sacrifice of Jesus Christ in our hearts. Romans 13:11. And do this, knowing the time, that now it is high time to awake out of sleep. For now our salvation is nearer than when we first believed. Romans 13:11. Friends. The moon smiled. Perhaps not just to amaze us, but to awaken us. It's time to return to the Lord, wholeheartedly and urgently.